Hello and welcome to the MCQ lecture series. So today I have MCQs with respect to public finance. So let's get started. The first MCQ is, what are the different types of finances? And the options are A, public finance, B, private finance, C, personal finance, and D, corporate finance. And we have to select the appropriate answer. And the answers given are, first option is A and B, that is public and private. Then we have second option B and C, that is private and personal. Then we have third option A, B and C, that is public, private and personal. And the last option is all of the above. So here the correct answer is all of the above. These are all the types of finances per se. Yeah, let us now move to the second MCQ. What are the different sources of public revenue? I'm talking about public revenue. So the first option is taxes, the second is fees, the third is fines and penalties, and the last is all of the above. So here these are all the different sources of public revenue. Let us now move to the third MCQ, which we have here for you. The loans raised by governments to carry out its expenditure activities are called as what? They are called as public expenditure or public revenue or public debt or none of the above. So here I am talking about loans raised by government to carry out its activities, and therefore they are called as public debt. Yeah, let us now move to the next MCQ, which we have here. It is the principle of economic rationality. The principle of economic rationality is followed by public finance, public revenue, public debt, and none of the above. So here the correct answer, the principle of economic rationality is followed by public debt. Let us now move to the fifth MCQ. The principle of maximum social advantage was given by whom? The options are Keynes, Dalton, then we have Hicks, and none of the above. So here the correct answer is, it was given by British economist Dalton. Let us now move to the sixth MCQ, which we have here. So the question is talking about which of the following is true with respect to public finance. So first is loans are for longer period. Then we have the second option, which is there for us, governments or public authorities can create money. Then the third, governments can borrow from internal and external sources, and there will be options given to us. We have to select which is true. So all of these are true. If we compare this with the with private finance, we can look at loans in terms of private finance are for shorter period. Private finance cannot create, or private authorities cannot create money, but government authorities can, and governments can borrow from both internal sources as well as external sources, whereas private cannot. Yeah. So I hope the concept of both public finance and private finance are pretty much clear. Let us now move to the seventh MCQ, which we have here. According to Dalton, maximum social advantage is achieved at which point? The point at which marginal social benefit is equal to the marginal social sacrifice, at the point where marginal social benefit is greater than my sacrifice, at the point it is less than, or none of the above. So here the correct answer is where marginal social benefit is equal to the marginal social sacrifice which I am going to incur. Yeah, let us now move to the next MCQ. Public expenditure can be classified into which of the following? So we have revenue and capital expenditures, we have transfer payments and expenditures on goods and services, we have development and non-developmental expenditures, and none of the and all of the above, rather all of the above. So the best possible classification is this: it can be classified into revenue and capital, transfer payments and expenditure on goods and services, and development and non-development. So therefore all of the above is the correct answer. Let us now move to the last MCQ. What are the principles or canons? They can use either the term principles or canons of public expenditure. So option A is canon of economy, B is canon of benefit, C is canon of surplus, and D is canon of sanctions. So here the correct answer is all of the above. So you will be getting options like A and B, B and C, C and D, and things like that. But the correct answer is all of the above are principles or canons of public expenditure. So I hope the MCQs are pretty much clear. Please stay tuned. I'll be making more videos. Thank you.